Custom GPT are super powerful, and also the OpenAI platform is really nice with lots of interesting features. But there is one that was missing. It's actually managing your custom GPTs. You cannot search your custom GPTs. It's hard to find them when you have a lot. I have a lot. I have 141 custom GPTs on this account, mine. And so it was painful to manage that. Okay. So what I did, I just create a Chrome extensions to help me with this. And let me show you how it works. So basically it's GPT Hub here. And so what I can do with GPT Hub, I open there, I can create my teams of custom GPTs. I can add my custom GPTs. For instance, I have some here. I can pin the one I prefer. Of course, I can organize the views the way I want. Anyways, let me show you how that looks like. Let's suppose I have the content team. Okay, for the moment, in the content team, I have these 3 custom GPTs. By the way, I can make it bigger for you. And so what I will do, I will select the custom GPTs I use. For instance, this one I use for my content, which another one, this one definitely is one for my content. The 30-day content coach is another one for content repurposing, it's another one, etc. And then when I'm here, what I can do, I can just click this button here, add, and it's in my hub. And then this one, it's in my hub. And then this one, it's in my hub. You got the picture, right? And then what I can do here, they are all there now. If I refresh that, they are there. And here you can find, okay, so this one I can add to my team, content. This one I can add to my team, etc. And this other one, which one? That's this one as well. Fresh there. It's in my team. Okay. And if I want to create a team, it's really simple. I just click there. I create another team. Let's call it strategic thinking. Here, it helped me think better. And then I can, if I have already some, I can just select them. Here, I save my team. I have my second team. Then I can go to all my GPTs. By the way, if I want more details, I can have more details here. I can pin some. Let's do this, for instance. I can go there, and there is one I use a lot for my strategic thinking, which is this one, my AI growth engine for my CCGG school community. And so I would use this one. Knowledge processor can be another one. I have one that I love a lot, which is, let me find it. Yeah, this one, Berserker, is good for my mindset. This one is good as well. It's cool. It's cybernetic principle that I can apply to my thinking. I love it a lot. The Eigenwelt is another one that is, of course, Hydra, and I have them. Okay. So that I can just add them to my hub here. If I go there and I click the extension, it finds a new one, quick add to hub. So there are several ways of doing it. It's pretty fun. Okay, I have all of them, and then I can just refresh the extension here and add to my team. Strategic thinking. If I need to find one, for instance, I want to find Darren Wiener, I just click here and Darren Wiener clones are the one I was looking for. Berserker as well. Of course, I can remove them. I can edit them if I like. Did I put that one already? Yeah, okay. And then I have my new team. And the cool stuff with the team is, this is my new team. The cool stuff with the team is that I can deploy them. I can deploy all, and then they will start all. And I can work with my team of custom GPTs. That's a very cool tool. I've submitted in the Chrome store, so it should be available publicly if you want to test it. I will also put the link inside my school community. Yeah, enjoy and give me some feedback and I can make it better. I see you in the next one. Bye.